Three in a row.
What they wanted to see out of
Yeah.
Kyle Busch. Out of the race car, out of the race, and more than likely, he's going to be out of the playoffs.
Oh, man. 3 in a row for engine issues again. Come on. Kyle Busch. Oh, man. He's going to be out.
That's a major internal failure on this engine.
Smoke rolling out.
This is not going well.
The 18, and the night is over for Kyle Busch, an 8-time winner here at Bristol.
I know you can
Oh, man. You cannot be serious.
I can't confirm whether they are or aren't, Jeff. Just isn't a track you would expect to see an engine failure, right? The cycles on the engine aren't really off.
Yeah, so Kyle's definitely going to be out.
Eliminated from this round ever in his career. A 2-time champion, and now out of the playoffs. And think about the week.
And this early, too.
All summer contract. Big announcement down at the Hall of Fame with
Wow.
Richard Childress. I'm going to RCR next year. Got that off his shoulders. Finally could put his foot forward and focus on
Wow.
next year in the playoffs. And now a second engine in this round.
His chance to compete for the third champion is done.
The 18's chances of moving forward.
Wow. It's over for Kyle. Man. But I'm glad that he was able to make it in. You can definitely see the frustration in Kyle Busch right now. Wow. Definitely a huge frustration for him. Wow. That is definitely a heartbreak for Kyle. Yeah.
That just shows that while he is frustrated at the moment, I know that's
Wow.
but as a crew chief that used to chase
This is not going to end well. This is not going well for Kyle. Wow. Not the way he wanted to end the night. Wow. Wow. Tough break for the 18 team.